Welcome back to our online class one again. Hope you all are well by the mercy of our Almighty Creator. Dear learner, today I am going to discuss about an important topic which is related class 9 and 10. Our today's topic is completing sentence. Completing sentence. As you know, what do we mean by completing sentence? In our exam tragedy, some part of a sentence are given in the question and we have to make it complete. Sometimes we have in a detailed sentence, but sometimes we have a passage in our exam. So I will try at my best to show you some rules how to complete a sentence. Suppose, first of all, I want to make you clear about the sentence which is called conditional sentence. There are three types of conditional sentence. First of all, first condition. In a first condition, we have two part of sentence. This two part of sentence must be complex sentence. One is principal clause, another is subordinate clause. Like dear learner, I have written some sentence which is start with if. If you read more, if you come fast, if you visit Agra, if you invite me. Both sentences are present indefinite. That is called subordinate clause, because if you read more, then we have something that is called subordinate clause, and we have to make it principal clause. If here, if you give a mind, then you can see present form, present form, present form, present form. If the part of if will be present form, then we can complete it with subject plus will, can, may, or simply present form. If you read more, you will learn more. will learn. If you come first, you will get the job. If you visit Agra, you can see Taj. If you invite me, I will join your party. Dear learner, if you concentrate your mind on studies, then you will come to know if plus present form. If plus subject plus present form, then it will be will plus main verb. If plus subject plus present form, will plus main verb. If plus subject plus present form, may use can or might. If plus subject plus present form, you may use if plus subject plus present form, subject plus will plus present form. That is called first condition. In a first condition, if we have if the part, then the next part will be subject plus will plus may or plus can. In a first condition. Now we have second condition. In a second condition, we have to use if plus subject plus verb past. If you came, verb 2. Here the verb to. In a second condition, we have if plus subject plus V2. When this condition is set in the exam, then we have to use subject plus would plus V1 plus object. Second condition, subject plus would plus verb 1 plus object. If you came, I would go. If I had enough money, had here verb 2. I would buy a car. If you went to the zoo, you could see many animals. Dear learner, here we have second condition. In a second condition, subject must be verb to. When subject must be verb to at the part of if, then the second part will be start subject plus would plus main verb. Subject plus would plus main verb. That is called second condition. If the second condition arrives, we have to put subject plus would plus main verb. Then we have third condition. In a third condition, we have to put subject plus would have plus V3. If you had invited me, I would have gone to your residence. If you had done the work, you would have got the money. If plus subject plus had plus verb 3, then it will be subject plus would plus had plus verb 3. In this way, we can complete the third condition. Now we have another rule for completing sentence. So that if is connector used in a sentence, so that we have to put can or could. He works hard so that look, He works hard so that. Here present form. Verb 1. He works hard so that he can shine in life. If the part so that first part present form, then we can use can plus verb 1. If the part of first part past from verb 2, then we have to put subject plus could. He came to me so that he could get a job. He came to me so that he could get a job. If the first part past form, then we have to put subject plus could. If the first part present forms, then we have to put subject plus can, then main verb. He went to Dhaka so that he could find a job. In this way, we can complete this sentence if we have so that. Then we have another rules. So dot dot that or so plus adjective plus that. If we have this structure, what we can do that? Now we can see some examples. He is so adjective that. He is so adjective that. He is so weak that. He is so weak that he cannot move. So adjective that, first part will be present, then we can put cannot. Here look is then was. If the first part of so dot dot that past form, then we have to put could not. In this way, we can complete this kind of sentence. Thank you all. I will come back the next part of completing sentence. Until then, Allah Hafiz.